Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend after-tax income calculation for long-term wealth transfer. When families build wealth over many years, dividend income can become an important part of the plan. However, the true value of that income is not only the amount received before taxes. What really matters is the after-tax income that can be reinvested, saved, used for family needs, or passed on to the next generation. First, start by calculating your gross dividend income. This means adding up all the dividends received from stocks, ETFs, funds, or other income-producing investments during the year. For example, if the portfolio produces $50,000 in dividends, that becomes the starting point before any tax calculation. Next, identify the account ownership and account type. This step is important because dividends can be treated differently depending on where the investments are held. A taxable account, a tax-deferred retirement account, and a tax-free retirement account can all create different after-tax results. Therefore, understanding the account structure helps you plan the wealth transfer more clearly. After that, determine the tax treatment. In a taxable account, dividends may be taxed each year. In a tax-deferred account, taxes may be delayed until withdrawal or estate transfer. In a tax-free account, qualified withdrawals may be tax-free, depending on the rules that apply. Because of this, the same dividend income can create very different outcomes for a family legacy plan. Then, determine the taxable amount. In many taxable accounts, the full dividend amount may be taxable. For example, if the portfolio earns $50,000 in taxable dividends, then the taxable amount may also be $50,000. However, the exact amount can vary based on deductions, account rules, dividend type, and personal circumstances. Once the taxable amount is clear, apply the correct tax rate. The tax rate may depend on income level, dividend classification, location, and estate or withdrawal planning rules. For example, if the expected tax rate is 20%, that percentage can be used to estimate how much tax may reduce the dividend income. After that, calculate the tax due. The simple formula is taxable amount multiplied by tax rate. So, if the taxable dividend amount is $50,000 and the tax rate is 20%, the estimated tax due would be $10,000. This step shows how much of the dividend income may be lost to taxes before the remaining amount can support long-term wealth goals. Then, calculate the after-tax income. This is done by subtracting the tax due from the gross dividend income. For example, $50,000 minus $10,000 leaves $40,000 in after-tax dividend income. This final number is very important because it shows how much income can actually be reinvested, preserved, or passed forward. Moreover, reducing tax drag can improve long-term wealth transfer. Lower taxes today may allow more money to stay invested. More money invested can create more future growth. Over time, this can increase the amount available for children, family members, beneficiaries, or future generations. In addition, account selection plays a major role. A taxable account may require annual tax planning. A tax-deferred account may need withdrawal and beneficiary planning. A Roth or tax-free account may be useful for long-term legacy planning when qualified withdrawals are tax-free. Because of this, families should compare account types before deciding where dividend-producing investments should be placed. Also, it is important to plan withdrawals and estate transfers carefully. Poor timing can create unnecessary taxes, while smart timing may help preserve more wealth. Reviewing your tax laws, account rules, beneficiary designations, and estate plan can make the transfer process smoother and more efficient. So, the key idea is simple. Calculate gross dividend income, identify the account type, understand tax treatment, determine the taxable amount, apply the tax rate, calculate tax due, and finally find the after-tax income. When families understand this process, they can plan smarter, reduce taxes, grow wealth, and leave a stronger legacy. This video is for educational purposes only. Tax, estate, and investment rules vary by country and personal situation, so always consult a qualified financial, legal, or tax professional before making decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.